Hello from Thailand, from Karon Beach more specifically. And it is my very first trip to the Southeast Asia. And I'm gonna be here in Thailand for 2 weeks, and I'm gonna explore some few more countries as well. But I'm so happy that I have made it to the other side of the world to celebrate the Christmas holidays also. I'm gonna be here all over until Christmas. So yes, I'm in Karon Beach, this is, and quite a lot of people on the beach, but it is basically season over here, summer season, as currently it is 29 degrees Celsius in the sea itself, and also in the air it is 28 degrees. So I'm just sweating a lot, you can see on my hair, because I came in from Sweden where it was minus to 10 degrees at the time that I left the country of Sweden. So yes, this will be my type of view for the next 2 weeks, and I'm staying here at Karon Beach. My hotel is like 1 kilometer away from the beach, and it is quite a huge beach, but I see people all over the beach. There are even sunbeds, but also in front of the sunbeds you can put your towel as well. So these couple of first few days is going to be mostly cloudy with some rain here and there, but otherwise I think the sunshine will shine in the second part of my semester, or vacation should I say. So let's then go in for the first swim in the Indian Ocean, and actually this is the Andaman Sea. And to be fair, I already took a swim yesterday in the night because I arrived quite late yesterday. It was a 11-hour flight and also 6-hour difference from Sweden. So now it is actually, here it is 11:30 in Thailand, but in Sweden it is 5:30 in the morning AM. So I'm not really sure how I have already adapted to this, but it is what it is. So let's check in the sea right here. As I mentioned, it is 29 degrees Celsius in the sea. So quite amazing indeed. And yes, this is the Andaman Sea, that's part of the Indian Ocean, and this is one of my first few swims in the Indian Ocean, and it looks amazing. The water is so nice, and we're gonna see how it looks like also underwater as well very soon. So yes, ready, set, go! Amazing. It's so nice. So nice and beautiful. Paradise. True paradise. Ah. And now we have some very light sunshine, but I actually need to put on sunscreen anyways, because I think that the sun is very high even behind the clouds. So yes, here it becomes deep quite early, and this is all over me right now. The depth is too deep right now, but let me show you one more view of how it is underwater. Amazing, amazing indeed. I'm gonna be enjoying here a lot, and it was the right decision to finally visit. Oh, actually I can stand here. I was wrong actually. I can stand here. I thought it was. I guess it depends on the tide if the waves are higher. But yeah, this is how it looks like. As you can see, beautiful natural paradise. Karon Beach. This is. And I'm gonna try to explore a few beaches here around. And on this Phuket Island there are a lot of different beautiful beaches. Yeah, so today is 14th of December. I have actually arrived yesterday and started my journey officially on the 12th of December, but it was almost close to midnight when I started. As I mentioned, 11-hour flight. Yeah, when I arrived yesterday it was almost the sunset, and then I needed to take a transfer from the airport, and then I got a nice night swim. It was so beautiful in the night, and the water was still very warm, the exact same temperature, and even in the air it was around 26 degrees. So today is officially day 2 to be fair, but my first episode here from Karon Beach in Thailand. So yes, I'm gonna be enjoying here today. And yeah, with that said, and with this wonderful view, and also the sun that came in now a bit more bright. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure from Thailand on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.